In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to JPG. If you've ever needed a quick snapshot of a PDF page for a presentation, a website, or a document that doesn't support PDFs, turning it into a JPG image is a simple, reliable solution. We'll be using the PDF to JPG tool on Smallpdf, a user-friendly website that runs right in your browser, so there's no software to install. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the PDF to JPG tool on Smallpdf. You can find it directly on their site under their tools collection, or by searching for Smallpdf PDF to JPG. Once you're on the correct page, you'll see a clean interface that focuses on getting your file in and converting it quickly. Next, bring in your PDF. You can either click the upload area to select a file from your computer or simply drag and drop your PDF onto the page. Dragging and dropping is usually the fastest if the file is already on your desktop or in a folder you have open. If your PDF is large, give it a moment to upload fully. A stable internet connection will make this part smoother. Smallpdf processes files online, and for most standard documents, uploads and conversions finish in a short time. After your file is loaded, you'll be asked to choose how you want to handle the content. You can extract single images, which pulls out the images embedded inside the PDF and saves them as separate JPG files. This is ideal when you only need the photos or graphics that are already in the document. Or you can convert entire pages, which turns each page of your PDF into a JPG image. Choose this when you want a visual copy of each page exactly as it appears, including text, graphics, and layout. If you're preparing assets for a slide deck or sharing a page on a site that only accepts images, converting entire pages is usually the better option. With your choice made, click Convert. The tool will process your selection and the progress will appear on the screen. For multi-page PDFs or high-resolution documents, processing can take a bit longer, so let it finish. When it's done, you'll see the results presented as image files that reflect your chosen option, ready for your next step, whether that's sharing, inserting into a project, or archiving. And that's all it takes. Open the Smallpdf PDF to JPG tool, upload your PDF, choose between extracting images or converting pages, and click Convert. It's fast, straightforward, and beginner-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you turn any PDF into crisp, usable JPGs with confidence.